Hello everybody, my name is Aaron and I'm a platform specialist with the Helcim team, and today we're going to tell you about our QR code feature that you can use with your Helcim account. With our QR code feature, you can have your customers use QR codes to access your online store or make quick use of payment pages by scanning the codes on their mobile devices. First, let's look at our QR codes with the online store. For our example today, we are going to be using a QR code with our online store to essentially replace the need for a menu at our restaurant. With the QR code, you could have it available at the tables of your restaurant for your customers to scan and then place their order via the online store, and there will be an indicator on any orders for the table that they belong to. If you get logged into your Helcim account and then click on Online Store, we will see our store settings, and we want to click on QR Code Generator. In the QR Code Generator screen, we can enter in a unique indicator, and in this case, we will put table number 1 and then click on Generate. You will now see our unique QR code that has been created on the screen. With the QR code, you can download the image and print it, and then place it on your table, and when the customers scan the code, they will be taken to your online store. Any order that is placed by your customers will display the text that was put in the unique indicator field on the invoice. To see this text and any orders that have been placed via the online store, we will click on Invoicing and then Order Manager. Here, we can see any orders that have been placed, and in the comments section, we see our unique indicator field that was used. QR codes can also be used with payment pages using our Buy Button Generator option. We have a couple of great tutorial videos for creating a payment page, and we recommend that you check those out for more info and instructions. Let's click on Payment Pages, and for our example today, we will be using an existing payment page, and we're going to set it up as a $5 tip for the server at our restaurant. Let's click on our payment page, and if we click on Buy Button Generator in the Overview menu, it will take us to our settings. With this tip payment page, we are going to do a $5 tip, so we will click on Amount and then Next. In the Amount screen, we will enter in the dollar amount and then click on Generate Code. After generating the code, you will now see a generated URL along with a QR code that you can save and then print for your customers to scan. In this case, if we place this QR code on the table, the customers will be able to scan it and then be taken to a payment page where they will be able to leave a $5 tip or an amount of their choosing. Keep in mind that you can use any of the different options with the Buy Button Generator and your payment pages to change up the options and still use the QR code. And that's it! QR codes are another great way to take payments from your customers. Thanks for joining us for another tutorial video, and we hope to see you again next time.